Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook native jollof rice with fermented locust beans. So guys, stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and share out my video. So let's get right into the video. And here are the things I will be using for this rice. I have already basmati rice, that's the long grain, already washed. I washed it thoroughly to remove the starch from it. And over here is cow skin. I've already cooked it, that's pomo. Here I have sweet paprika. You can use tomato, dry prawns, ogiri or locust beans, nor cube, and Cameroon pepper. Here are some dry scent leaves. You can use fresh one. Chopped onion. And here is broth from the cow skin and stockfish. You can use any broth of your choice. Here is stockfish already cooked. And over here is some dry catfish already washed. And over here is smoked mackerel fish. Here is some palm oil or red oil and salt. I also have some crayfish already blended. So guys, let's start cooking immediately. I can't wait. Inside my pot, I will add boiled water. It helps to quicken my cooking time. Then I'll be adding the washed rice. And with the boiled water, I can now cook my rice just 10 minutes and it will be ready for jollof rice. So I will give it a stir and cover and start cooking, and once it's 10 minutes it is ready. While waiting for the rice to be parboiled, I need to blend the blendables. The blendables here are the locust beans and Cameroon pepper, but I can't blend it alone, so I had to add the crayfish so that it will bring out the ogiri and the pepper. So I will blend it and keep it aside. Once I'm done blending the dry ingredients, I will also be blending the sweet paprika with local or hand blender. You can chop this very tiny if you don't have blender or food processor. And you can also use tomato in this, but I don't want to put tomato. Once I'm done blending or chopping it, it will look like this. I will set it aside, and now it's 10 minutes, so I'll be taking off the rice from the cooker and wash it again. Then once my pan is hot, I will add palm oil. I allow it to heat up a bit, then throw in my onion. I will stir the onion for at least 2 minutes till it is cooked a bit. Once it shows pale color, then I will add the sweet paprika. And if you're using tomato, you can also add it now and start frying it. But with sweet paprika, I don't need to fry it much. But with tomato, before you take out all the bitterness in it, you have to fry it more. But with sweet paprika, I just need to fry it for less than 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes. I will cover it to fry for 7 to 10 minutes. Once the oil starts coming on top and the water is dried up, then it's ready. And I will give it a stir to make sure it's not burning or it doesn't burn. Then I will introduce the blended ogiri, crayfish and pepper. You can use habanero pepper as well. Add in the prawns and the nor cube. Use any seasoning cube of your choice. Then I will give it a stir to fry it for at least 2 minutes. At this point, don't just allow it to fry on its own, otherwise it will burn. Keep stirring it till 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, I will introduce the broth that I showed you earlier. Remember, if you don't have broth, you can use water, okay? Give it a stir to mix everything. Add in the pomo, that's the cow skin. Throw in the okporoko and follow it up with the dry catfish. I will also add the smoked mackerel fish, which I already deboned earlier. I will top up the water a bit. Then after that, I will be adding some salt to taste. I don't want to add too much salt because of the knorr cube I used. I don't want it to be salty. I can add more later if need be. Then stir and cover and allow this to cook for at least 5 minutes so that everything added, the meat, the ingredients, will get to know each other and also cook perfectly well. Then after that, I will throw in the rice. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, do give this video a thumbs up. And I will also stir the rice so that it will mix very well with everything inside the pot. Then once I'm done stirring it, I will test for salt, and when I tested, everything was okay, so I covered and cooked for 5 minutes. Then I opened it and sprinkled the scent leaf, closed again for 2 minutes. Then the rice is ready. Open and stir for the last time to mix everything together. But if you're using fresh scent leaf, you can add it now before stirring it. And after stirring it, you dish out the food. Guys, I'm not lying to you, like this rice, I feel like eating it every day. If not for weight loss journey, like I'll be eating this every day. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed filming and editing this video for you guys. Hope you also enjoyed watching. And I appreciate you, my new and my old subscribers. You guys rock. Please give this video a thumbs up and also share out this video. Until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye and see you in my next video. I can't get over this rice, guys. I just stood here like almost 5 minutes eating and eating and eating this rice before I dished it out. Like I almost ate more than half. Bye, guys.